Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video we will see a command called dpkg, and this command is used to see all your installed files on your Linux machine. And using this command you can see all the installed programs on your machine, and you can use this also to remove any particular program which you may not be seeing in the Ubuntu. This called as Ubuntu Software Center. Okay, so let's see what are the all the programs installed in my machine. So for this I'm gonna using the command called dpkg -l for listing all the packages on my Linux machine, and this will give me all the installed files on my computer. So you can see the last one is a Zoom, which is actually a video conferencing and one conferencing software, and you can see start with A to Z all your programs and packages which are installed on your machines. You can just see them. So these are all the programs and things are in my installed on my machine. Okay, now if you want to remove any of these things, then definitely you can go and use R to remove, and followed by that software name. So if it is Zoom, you can just paste it over here to Zoom and you can remove it. Or else if you know exactly the name of the program, then you can use the conventional method for installing it, that is the sudo apt get remove and the software name. So this is how you see all your programs which are installed on your machine, and you can also remove them if you want, if you're not able to see those programs on your Ubuntu Software Center. So I hope that was a little informative, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, assalamu alaikum. La 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 la.